Hello everybody, this is Watermelon Dallin and I'm back with another video. Today I'll be showing you how you can create a new user account, a local one actually, when you have everything set up. So if you follow the Windows 10 series, the last few series we're just setting up this virtual machine like how you would set up a normal Windows 10 machine. So I just wanted to show you how you can add a local account after you're done with the setup. To add in a Microsoft account is probably much simpler. I will also talk about it. Okay, so let's begin. First, we can key in the Windows button. Let me see what's this thing blocking the way. Okay, don't mind that. Okay, so because I'm using a virtual machine, yeah, just now my magnifier thing was blocking the way. Okay, so let's begin. Press the Windows key and type users. It should be the second link. So if I to make this a bit bigger, it's over here. Okay. Is the now it's the first one. Okay. So after I did multiple search, initially this was the first one and this was the second one. I guess they switch it around. So let's just click into this. Okay, and then now over here you can see the help pages which you can get for some help, okay, if you need. So you can read what these things over here if you want, but simply just click this add button over here. Okay, after doing so, this is the default way to do it, right? You can set up using this Microsoft account, okay, but let's not do that. Let's just say that we don't have a Microsoft account, we don't have the person's email address. So click that, it will load, and then go down all the way till you see this link right before this button, okay, over here. So this is the whole overview of the screen. Now if you see this, it says add without a Microsoft account, which is what we want, a local account. If not, you can just proceed with creating a Microsoft account or adding a new Microsoft account into this users. Okay, the steps are all the same. It's just for this local account is a bit different. Okay, click on this third link, the last link. Okay, over here they will request you for your username, so I'm just gonna call it Johnny. Okay, I'm pretty sure that's not how you spell it, but yeah, it's fine. Okay, I'm gonna key in the password. Just a tip, nowadays try to keep your password long enough. Okay, just if you are wondering why I'm typing my password again, I had a feeling I typed something wrongly just now. Okay, so this is the part where they ask you for security questions, so just key in what you want. Okay, pick your question. I don't actually have a pet, so I don't have a first pet. Yeah, so all these are fake information, don't worry. Okay, just gonna anyhow pick one. Let's see, what question should I pick? Maybe I should pick childhood nickname. That's probably the reason why my channel came about. Okay, no, actually when I was caught many things when I was a kid. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this. Okay, anyways, okay, what was my first school? Okay, first school was Lighthouse. Okay, so after you key in your information, okay, just click on next, and then it should create the account for you. Then I'll talk a little bit about this account. Okay, so now we have created an account. You see that it popped up below here. So if you click on this, you are able to remove its account or change the account, remove its account or change its account type. So I'm just going to click on this to show you what is it. I'm not actually going to change it. Okay, basically a standard account type or standard user per se is somebody who has lower access than admin, so you cannot really perform. If you need to download anything, you need to key in the admin username and password before you're permitted to do so. Okay, so there's two roles over here, administrator and standard. Currently I'm using the Windows 10 Home. Maybe for other versions you may see other things, I'm not sure. Okay, anyways, I didn't change the account type. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log out this account and log into this Johnny account, right? Okay, so let's click on this and let's log out, right? Log out. Okay, notice yeah, this is the sign up button, so click on sign out. Okay. Later I realized I didn't explain how I did that, but I'll explain a bit. Okay, so now you can see that just we originally will only have one user. Now we can see multiple users at the side. So you just click the user you want. Okay, it's on the left hand side, the bottom most left hand side. Okay, after that key in the I'm losing control. Key in the password of this account. Okay, it should log in. And then what happens is that your computer will start creating this user account into as a user in a say. So when you first added, you haven't actually make the user yet. So after you sign in, the first time you sign in, then this is the part where they start creating your user and the user folders and stuff. Okay, I'm going to just leave whatever default and just go ahead to the next thing. Up to you for whatever you all need to change. So yeah, here we go. We have our Johnny user. Okay. We can see it from this. Oops. Oh no. We should be able to see it from this side over here. Okay, hold on. It's loading, and for some reason, this thing is lagging out. Okay, but there you can see it here over here. Johnny, right? Okay, so how did I log out just now, right? What I did was I go to the desktop. You can press Windows plus D to go to the desktop, but right now I'm already in the desktop. Let's just say I'm in File Explorer now. To go to the desktop, just press Windows D, you'll go to the desktop, and then press alternate F4. Now this pop-up will pop up, and you can choose to sign out or shut down, restart, or sleep. Okay, anyways, I'm going to sign out and show you that I can log back into my admin as well. So let's just log back into my admin as well, just to show you that everything is functioning well. Okay, so I'll show other ways to do this as well, maybe in the future. And there we end off with this video. Thank you so much for your kind attention, and I will see you in the next video.